how to set a picture in gallery as your home screen or lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on wallpaper and style. From here, tap on change wallpapers. In here, tap on gallery, tap on the right arrow, so that will open up your gallery selection. From the gallery here, scroll down and select your favorite photos or picture. So select one. So I can choose one here. Let's say I want to select that one and then tap on done. And then you can choose to display for the lock screen, for the home screen or both, and tap on next. Okay, on this screen here, you can zoom in or zoom out. You can move it up or down. Okay, so move it up and down or place it in a position that you like to use. And before you move to the next screen, you can change your widgets. At the top here, you can change the clock widget. You can add in different widgets, and then you can also change the shortcut here as well on your lock screen. Then tap on done. Okay, so now if we go back to the home screen, you can see we have now successfully changed the background wallpaper for the lock screen and home screen from using the pictures from our gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.